Hi again YouTube. In this tutorial I want to share with you that the areas I already marked, as you see that with my black pencil, these areas and these areas we will now cut it away. Okay, let's do that. For this tutorial we need a soldering machine and an air conditioning. Let me show you my air conditioning. Oh, it's not coming. There's a problem. I think it's coming back here. Yes. Like this kind of air conditioning is enough. In my tutorials before, I broke this part, but I want to fix it. But I have no more time to fix. This is a broken one for my air conditioning, as you see here. But I really have no more time because I have to do my jobs. So we will now just connect it. Okay, no more bending. Nothing is not not too important because it's just 5 voltage, and that's not a problem for us. How to do this, I want to share with you. We are now touching the wires together and bending, okay, till it connects together. For this part, where is that one? Where was that one? Where was that one? I think that is not in here. Huh? One. Yo, let me check it. Yes, it's working now. The black one, we need to do the same operation, but where is the black cable? I'm just bending it, okay friends, like this. Don't worry about the wires, and putting it together. Yes, our air conditioning is ready now. I'm just checking it. Yes. Now my left hand, I'm just touching my air conditioning because you see the smoke when we do or apply it, it's toxic, so be careful. Okay, see you in my next tutorial then. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Bye, welcome boys. Bye bye.